Stuck, like you're carrying the weight of unresolved trauma, insecurities, or limited beliefs. Well, guess what? You're not alone. And I've created Heaven's View. See yourself as God sees you just for you. This course, it will help you break free from the lies that hold you back, heal emotional and spiritual wounds through biblical truth, freedom sessions, and meditation sessions. Build a closer relationship with God and grow in confidence and in purpose. It is time to step into life God has originally designed for you, boldly, confidently, and free. Hey, if you don't know me, I am Claudine Hicks. I help Christian women over 30 who feel stuck emotionally and spiritually due to unresolved traumas, insecurities, or limited beliefs to discover their true identity and live with purpose, confidence, and in freedom, just as God originally designed them to do. And so I hope that you will join me on this journey as we are awakened to our true selves, as we are awakened to see ourselves from heaven's view, to see ourselves just as God sees us. I'm so excited about this course, and I can't wait to see you on the other side. Shalom.